This is Brad Seacott with Terracom. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the configuration file from your ONT-800 or ONT-600. Configuration file will be useful, especially if you go to add features or you get temporary licenses for software features. Viavi is always going to ask you for this configuration file. We have a complete document that talks about how to do this, but I'll go through a quick way to do this in this video. So let's start at the ONT Scout. I'm VNC'd into an instrument currently, and this will give you an idea of how to well, this is basically the front panel that you see. So I'm doing this on my PC. So let's go ahead and click on an application. All right. It doesn't really matter what we open up, so let's just go ahead and add a new application. And we'll load it. Okay. So we're loaded up. Let's go to Help and Configuration Info. Okay. And this is all the configuration on this system. So here's the serial number, the calibration date, all the options that are on this particular module, and the modules that are in this system. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. So we'll click Save As, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. So that's this little house icon. Just click on this, double click on Desktop, and let's go ahead and save it. All right, that's done. Click Close. Now I'm going to minimize this application for the time being, and I'm going to minimize the ONT Scout. If you had multiple modules in here, they'd show up under ONT Scout. Okay, so there's our configuration. We can double click it and take a look. Right, same thing that we saw before. So then the question becomes, well, how do we get this out to Viavi? Well, the way that I usually do it is I use a USB stick, and I've plugged a USB stick into this ONT. I just click on Places, and I navigate down to my USB stick, which is a 16 gigabit volume. These are small files. I don't even know if they're 1 meg. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and partially minimize this window and move it along here, because what I'm going to do is just drag and drop. Okay. Now that that's copied over, we can unmount this USB stick and pull it out and use that to email to the person that you need to email this to, or print it out or whatever. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. If there's any questions, you can contact us through www.terracom.com, and our contact information is there. Or you can email me directly at bsicotte@terracom.com. I hope this was helpful.